All right, everybody, we are here at Morton Grove. You can see Chad and Anthony, and we are installing a couple of things. Commercial graphics for the most part, so a digital mural. So this is an entrance to a Fifth Third bank. Got hired by National Glazing Solutions with films and graphics. Been doing quite a few of these jobs over the past couple of years as they do the remodels. And we've also been doing window films. So we have these types of graphics that are on there, have the entrances where like the hours are. There'll be signs that'll go up. So aside from just doing regular wallpaper, for actual doing window tinting, window graphics, pre-pasted stuff, a lot of fun stuff that we'd be able to do. So again, this is a 3-panel graphic that's on here. It's kind of fun because everything was already pre-primed for us. Whether it was a painter or whomever had this done. I think it's a pain in the butt to use because once you put it to the wall, you can see Anthony's kind of trying to get it to line up, but it doesn't quite it does have no movement to it, so it really gets harder to work with. Or if using guards, I like guards the best. Draw Tight, especially Draw Tight, the white pigmented. But once you're putting guards on there, his has a lot more flow to it, and by flow, once you touch it, it'll actually move back and forth. This primer is just a little bit more difficult to work with. It has, let's say, when it dries, it's like a Post-it note. So as soon as the wallpaper gets on it, it grips it. So it doesn't really want to move. So when you get taller wings like this, where you got to have two people, it's a lot trickier trying to get it to line up, trying to get it to move, and to get everything aligned where it shouldn't get. Just gets harder with the wrong primer on there. This is what we're working on. Chad did that wall earlier. He hasn't trimmed it yet because it's got the opening in the sides. We have found, especially when we're coming at the next day or end of the day, to let it dry, let that paper curl around, and it makes it easier to get a clean cut. Sometimes when it's still wet, when we're cutting it, it'll want to peel or we can't get a good straight cut. But once it's dry, it cuts really perfect. Then there'll be another thing here, but the wall wasn't prepped right. And there's two more back over in there, but the graphics were damaged. So we're waiting on the reprints on that. That's what we are up to today. Digital graphics, window films, privacy films, blackouts, all kinds of fun stuff when it comes to wallpaper, graphics, wall murals. If you got questions, click the link below. Hopefully we can help you out with all that kind of stuff. And we'll talk to you.